Hello guys, Adam Online here. Today I'm going to show you how to get a free gaming PC for the best gaming experience. All you have to do is go to cardsgoshop.com, cardsgoshop.com. Once you get into the site, they have a lot of gift cards, Steam, PlayStation, iTunes. We're interested in Amazon today, so click on Amazon. Now it's going to take you to the Amazon page and offer you 25, 50, or $100. So it goes straight for the 100. Yeah. Now it's generating a code. Now it asks us to verify to get the last 4 digits. All you have to do is download one game, Castle Clash. That's the easiest. So download, install the game, and guys, play it for 30 to 50 seconds. That's how long it will take for this to work. Just to be safe, you can play it for 1 minute. So now open the game. So yeah, this is very good guys. This is a very good system. It really works. And you can get anything from Amazon, not just PlayStation controllers. And once you're done, you go back, and here, success. It gives you your card. All you need to do now is go to your computer, go to Amazon.com, log in, and now it asks you to enter claim code. You enter and check. Boom. Yeah, that's it, $100. You can see it there. Now you have to apply it to your balance. Click on it. And once you click, now all you have to do is go to your account. Click on your account, gift cards, click on it. Now redeem your balance. You can see there $100.